Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to this easy pencil drawing tutorial. Today we will be creating a beautiful 3D embossed heart. So grab your pencil and let's get started. First begin with lightly sketching the basic outlines of a heart. Use simple smooth curves. This will be the foundation of our embossed effect. Now, next we will add depth to the heart. Draw a smaller heart inside the outline, maintaining an equal distance from the edges. This creates the illusion of a raised surface. Now, let's add some shading. Use the side of your pencil, shade the outer edges of the heart. Apply more pressure on the edges and lighten it as you move toward the heart. To enhance the 3D effect, leave the center of the heart lighter. You can also use an eraser to create a subtle highlight in the middle. Feel free to add details like borders or patterns inside the heart for extra flair. This can make your drawing even more unique. Finally, go over your lines with a darker pencil or pen to make your heart pop. Erase any unnecessary line for a clean finish. And there you have it, a stunning 3D embossed heart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.